Part 1. This entire 3D cartoon animation video is AI generated and looks like a high-quality Disney Pixar-style movie. In this story, a girl and a boy accidentally meet during a coffee date. The most important thing is that the characters remain exactly the same in every scene, and their emotions are very expressive. You can clearly feel the awkwardness and accidental date vibe while watching the scenes. Creating such cartoon animation videos is actually very easy, and yes, you can also make them from your phone or PC within just 10 minutes. The best part is that you do not need to add separate music, sound effects, or voiceovers because everything is generated together automatically. People are already creating these AI videos from home for free and earning money from them. Hello friends, if you also want to create such AI videos, then you are at the right place. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more AI related information. So, to create videos like this, we will follow 4 simple steps. Step 1, we will generate the story. Step 2, we will generate images for every scene of the story. Step 3, we will convert those images into video clips. Step 4, we will edit all the clips together and create a cute cartoon animation video. And by creating such videos, we can generate a good income. So let's start and see how to make them. Step 1. First, we will generate a story for our cartoon animation video using the AI champion ChatGPT. For this, we simply give a command describing what type of story we want. We can also add in each scene, include one short natural English dialogue spoken by the characters. If you want the story in another language, you can simply change the prompt language accordingly. Don't worry, you will find the prompt in the video description. Now ChatGPT has written all 3 scenes for us, including character actions, dialogues, emotions, and everything else. Now in the next step, we need to generate images. ChatGPT will also generate detailed prompts for each scene in 3D Disney Pixar style. Within seconds, it gives us complete image generation prompts. Now to generate the images, we will use Flow AI. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Click on New Project and then click Get Started. After that, select Image and choose your aspect ratio. Here you can generate, but we will select 2 for now. You will also get 3 different AI image generation models to choose from. The most important thing is that image generation here costs 0 credits, meaning it is completely free and you can generate unlimited images. Now we copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI. The image generation starts immediately, and within seconds our image is ready. You can select the best image and download it from here. Now for the second scene, if you want character consistency, simply click the plus icon and upload the character image from the first scene. Then send it. Within seconds, your second image will also be generated with the same consistent character design. Download this image as well. After generating all the images, the next step is converting them into videos. For this, we will again use Flow AI. To get perfect dialogue and high quality videos, we will use a JSON prompt. Don't worry about JSON prompts because ChatGPT will write them for us too. For generating the JSON prompt, we simply write, use the attached image. I need JSON prompt to convert this image into a video clip using Veo 3. Then upload the image of the first scene and press send. ChatGPT immediately starts writing the JSON prompt for us. Copy that prompt. Now go back to Flow AI and select video frame. Choose the aspect ratio and video quality. Here you will get 3 models for video generation. Veo Fast costs 40 credits. Veo Quality costs 200 credits, and Veo Lite costs only 20 credits. We will select Veo Lite, then upload the first scene image and paste the JSON prompt. After sending it, our video generation starts. Now you can see how high quality the generated video looks. Download it from here. Repeat the same process for all scenes. After generating all the video clips, You can edit them together using any editing software like Filmora, CapCut or VN Editor and create a complete cartoon animation video.
I think the universe just attacked us with coffee.
Well, at least it wanted us to meet. You laugh like you've known me forever.
Maybe I was supposed to. So...
This was kind of a date, wasn't it?
I was hoping you'd say that.
Now, let's talk about earning money from these AI animation videos. First of all, you can create a complete YouTube channel based on cartoon animation videos. Just look at these channels. They only upload Disney-style cartoon animation videos. The biggest advantage of the AI-generated videos I show today is that the characters stay consistent throughout the scenes. Because of this, you can even start your own animated series. As your YouTube channel grows, you can earn through ad revenue and brand deals. For more informational videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.